Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and today I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF into a Word document. The first thing you have to do is go to cloudconvert.com, and then it opens up this page called File Converter. And then next to Convert, you have to click on PDF, and then next to To, you have to type in docx, which is just a Word document. And then from there, you can select your file in multiple ways, either from your computer, by URL, from Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. I'm going to go ahead and select from my computer. And then once you select your file, you can go ahead and click on Convert. And once it's finished, you can go ahead and click on this green download button. And then it downloads directly to your computer as a Word document. You can go ahead and add more files, and you can do multiple conversions at once as long as they're all being converted into a Word document. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. It really helps out. Like this video, and thank you for watching.